Amo ni importante nga ako, anian ako kay Chairman Normiswari mag-support ako sa iya ang Ilaga Asosasyon. Kay nga naman, kayuhan man atong tanan dire sa Mindanao.
We managed to sign a number of documents in practically all of this peace process na tagpuan natin ay nagkaroon tayo ng signing ceremony. Ngunit, ang lahat ay parang sa tabi-tabi lang. Hindi namin natapos ang aming mandate. The mandate we were working out was to prepare what we call the draft organic law or draft organic bill to be submitted to the President of the Republic of the Philippines for him or for her to endorse as urgent administrative bill to Congress. And Congress would oblige itself to give priority to this bill so that we can have a new organic law that shall replace or supplant Republic Act 1954. Yun ang aming fundamental objective, ang aming fundamental mission. Kung saan-saan na nadala namin ang usapan. Ngunit, I'm sorry to inform you, my dear brothers and sisters, kaya nga I called for this meeting para I can as usual report to you ano ba ang katotohanan. Hindi namin natapos ang aming objective, ang aming mandate. Although there was a series of ultimatum, kundi ultimatum at least an admonition galing from the Office of the OIC Secretary General. First, sinabi niya last March 11, 12, and 13, 2009, on the occasion of the second or third high-level peace talks, high-level tripartite peace talks, sinabi ng Secretary General ng OIC, Secretary General of 57 sovereign and independent countries, lahat members ng United Nations, nagsabi siya, sabi niya formally through his emissary, chief emissary, sinabi niya, this peace process